You want the most effective testimonials you could have to drive more business? Yeah, you do. But here's how you do it. If you look at client work that I've done, you'll see that when we're doing testimonial videos, the subjects are never looking in the camera because that feels like a sales pitch for the viewer. And so looking off camera feels way more genuine and like more of a storytelling vibe. And second, everybody hates being on camera. So unless someone's been doing it a lot, looking right down the barrel of a camera and trying to sound genuine is typically a disaster. Like you've seen those awkward testimonial videos where the client's looking right into the camera. They're all monotone and not blinking like a robot. I really enjoyed working with the superb settlement squad. They got my case handled in no time. I highly recommend them. So what we're doing is basically just sitting across from one another, having a conversation. And after the first few minutes, it's like the cameras just disappear and that person being interviewed magically becomes themselves. And there's no script. They're just being 100% authentic, and authenticity sells. And me as the interviewer, I just have to ask the right questions to get the person to open up and tell their story. So if you've got happy clients and you want the most effective testimonials possible, just grab a camera and set it up to the side and interview your client about their experience. And I promise it'll be better than any Google review you'll ever have.